Here I have Apple iPhone 8 and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. At the very beginning, let's use your home screen, choose settings, then let's scroll down to general. So let me find general right here, alright. Scroll down again and choose reset, then select reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to the factory defaults. Let's choose reset network settings. And now wait until the whole process will be completed. Excellent, reset network settings is done. Now you can use your default network settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.